Hello students, today we are going to learn the scatter chart. Now first question arises, what is scatter chart? In simple term, if I have to define the scatter chart, you just imagine you have created a line chart. Now you remove the line and left the marker. In this way, what the graph you have get is known as scatter chart. And in more specific way, the scatter chart is a two-dimension data visualization that use dots or marker to represent the values obtained for two different variables, one plotted for the x-axis and other plotted for the y-axis. Now my dear student, we have two functions to draw a scatter chart, and one is pie plot. I hope you all are familiar with this pie plot, and another is scatter function. One is the pie plot function and another is the scatter function. How we will use the pie plot function? In pie plot function, you remove the line style. In pie plot, you remove the line style, and then it will work as a scatter chart. For example, let's suppose that this is x-axis, then x-axis data, y-axis data, then here R stand for line color and O stand for marker, circle marker. Is it okay? Then we have a next function that you say scatter. In scatter, the syntax is x-axis data, then y-axis data, then you have a marker. Here I am using S stand for what? Square. You can use SO or SOD, D for diamond, C stand for color, and S is the size. Okay, let me start. I have a question. The following table lists the values of x and y. Here the x, it has some data. Here the y, it has some data. Draw the scatter chart. Okay. As we know, our first task is always import matplotlib.pyplot, and then this is the variable x, which is stored the list type of value 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have taken the same, the variable y, and then again plt title. I think you all are familiar with this title. We will give title to our chart. Scatter chart. Here we will use the attributes. Font size is 12, then color is red. Is it okay? Then again plt.xlabel data of x-axis. I will use the same attributes for x-axis. Here only one thing what I will do is change the color on the color magenta. Then plt.ylabel data of y axis. This the same attribute I will use, and now it is magenta. As I explained earlier, these 3 lines are optional. These you may be used or you may not be. It's depend on you. Now I am going to use the first method, means using plot chart. First method, plt.plot. This is x comma y, then r for red color and o for circle marker. This little bit of mistake is here. This, and if you are using ideally, then plt dot show, show this. Okay, let me execute this. Yes, this is the scatter chart heading, and then I am using the M for magenta color, data of x-axis, then data of y-axis. This is in form of only marker. Okay, here now we will construct the scatter chart with the scatter function. Let me first make it comment. Now it is comment here. plt dot scatter, plt dot scatter, then x comma y, then marker. Here I am using D for diamond. Color is stand for C. Color I am using green color. Then the size is 60. This is 60 size I have used, and now I am going to execute this. Okay, I think there is some error. Marker, this. No. This is some error. Here this. Let me check. plt dot scatter. The spelling is correct. X comma y, then marker is #d, then C stand for color, then color. Oh, here not a size, here we will write S stand for this. Okay, let me execute. You just see, this is the scatter chart. So now my dear student, we have constructed the scatter chart with 2 methods. First is the plot. Only things you have remember in plot function is that you are not going to use the line style. Okay, you have to only use the marker and the color option. Otherwise you simply come to the scatter function, which is dedicated for scatter chart. You can use it. Okay, thank you.